My name is TJ from JMC Concrete Cutting. I'm going to explain our safety procedures. We have gloves to protect our hands. We have a hard hat to protect our head from any other obstructions or anything to fall on us. We wear safety glasses to protect our eyes from debris flying up into our face or around us. We wear hearing protection for our ears from loud noise. And a safety vest for a plain view. We wear water boots to protect our feet. That is about what we have for our PPI. Three-phase electric slap saw. I'm going to show you how to proceed with cutting.
JMC Concrete Cutting.
This is TJ from JMC Concrete Cutting. We brought ourselves some good, 100% good